What's up, YouTube? So I'm coming to you today to bring you the fail-proof cure for hiccups. So might have been going for a few minutes now. I've been waiting until they started again to make this video. Uh, so basically, the fail-proof method: you take a deep breath, and then you clench your core, basically, so that you create an excess amount of pressure on your diaphragm, and then you hold that for about 30 seconds or so until the blood starts rushing to your head, and then you just release, and it's good. Obviously, mine stopped right when I started this video because why wouldn't they? And yeah, that's it. So deep breath, hold it, and then compress your core. And that's it.